Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Right. Next, 7th question.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. 7th question. Secant x multiplied with cos 5x plus 1 equals to 0. 0 less than x, x less than 2 pi. The x must belongs to 0 to 360 degrees. So this we need to solve. Solution. Given secant x cos 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So we know that secant x equals to 1 upon cos x. So secant x into cos 5x, we can write cos 5x into 1 by cos x, that is cos 5x by cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So multiply both sides with cos x. Multiply both sides with cos x. But one condition we need to remember here, this is very important, but cos x should not be equal to 0. We remember this condition. So if and only if cos x is not equal to 0, then only we can multiply both sides with cos x. Then cos 5x by cos x into cos x means this becomes cos 5x plus cos x into 1 cos x. Cos x into 0, 0. Now how could you solve now? How could you proceed? This is in the form of cos c plus cos d form. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2.
Cos of C minus D.
Yes.
Cos of C minus D by 2.
Minus d by 2. So now the left hand side we can write. Left hand side we can write 2 cos, that is 2 cos 5x plus x is 6x by 2, that is cos
6x
3,
by 2 equals to 3x.
cos of 5x minus x 4x by 2, 2x equal to 0. We get two cases. 2 cos 3x is equal to 0, that means cos 3x is equal to 0. Cos 2x is equal to 0. So let us consider two cases. We need to find out in the two cases general solutions. and also particular solution also we need to find out. So let us go for case 1. Case 1. So cos 3x equals to 0. So that implies directly we can write 3x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Multiply both sides with 1 by
Sir,
3.
one step before page.
We get 2n plus 1 pi by 2 into 1 by 3 pi by 6. N belongs to Z.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right now, put n is equal to 0. If you put n is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 0 plus 1, pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Okay. So now put n is equal to 1. You get x is equal to 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6 is equal to, this is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is not valid. Why? Because if x is equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, but cos x should not be equal to 0. So that's why we need to eliminate this solution. So this solution is not allowed, inadmissible. So n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 means x equals to 2 into 2, 4, 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means 150 degrees, allowed. N is equal to 3. 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 means how much? That is 7 into 30 degrees is 210, applicable. N is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 6. 9 pi by 6 is equal to, this will be 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is not allowed because cos 3 pi by 2 will be 0. So these two solutions are now neglected. Pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6 we need to consider. And moreover, n is equal to 5, let us try. N is equal to 5 means that is 11 pi by 6. So x is equal to 11 pi by 6. This is 11 pi by 6 means how much actually? This is 330 you will be getting. If you take 6, that will be more than 360 you will be getting. So this is included, this is included, this is included, this is included. So now go to case 2. What is the case 2 now? Tell me. Case 2.
Cos 2x is equals to 0.
Very good.
Cos 2.
Cos 2x equals to 0. Now that implies general solution we can write 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Now x is equal to, therefore we can have 2n plus 1 pi by 4. But we need the solution in between 0 to 360. So that means let us substitute. Put n is equal to 0 first. What do you get? X is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45. Accepted. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means x is equal to 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means this is 45 into 3, 135. Accepted. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is, this is 225 degrees. Yes, accepted. N is equal to 3. So x is equal to 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 means 7 into 45. 7 into 45 is 315. Yes, accepted. So that means if n is equal to 4, let us try. N is equal to 4 means 4 to 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 4.
Thank you.
9
9 pi by 4.
9 pi by 4 means 9 into 45. 9 5 is 45. Oh, more than 405. So enough. Only up to n is equal to 3 is enough. It will be more than that of 360. That means these 4 solutions and 5 by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, we need to write it. So therefore our answer is our answer is like this right out. So therefore, hence x is equal to the set of values pi by 6. Next
3 pi by
pi by 4 right out, 45 degrees. Pi by 4. Next whatever it may be, no problem. 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6,
7 pi by 4.
7 pi by 4. How many number of solutions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6.
sir.
There are
6.
6 solutions in between 0 to 360. If you are asked 0 to 90, how many solutions are there? Only 2 solutions, 30 and 45. 30 and 45. Shall I move to next question? Understood this question? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what is the question number? 8th major question is 8th. In that first bit, let us discuss. Sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x equals to cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. Here particular interval has not been given, provided with us. That means general solution we need to find out. Okay, how could you solve this one? How could you solve? See, left hand side is sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. First, you consider like this. Sin 3x plus sin x, sin c plus sin d. Here cos 3x plus cos x, cos c plus cos d. You arrange like this now. So this can be arranged like this, given sin 3x plus sin x, which is in the form of sin c plus sin d plus sin 2x is equal to this. We can rearrange cos 3x plus cos x plus cos 2x. Now, what are the suitable formulae need to be applied here?
Sin C plus sin D.
Yes, sin c plus sin d.
2 sin C plus by 2 cos of C minus D by 2.
Very good. Right.
Cos of C minus D by 2.
Cos c plus cos d also we need to use. Simultaneously, these two formulae need to be applied. This is 2 cos of c plus d by 2.
Cos of C minus D by 2.
Cos of C minus D by 2.
Very good. Cos of c minus d by 2. So let us apply these two formulae. So now this can be written as sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin of 3x plus x, 4x by 2, 2x cos 2x plus sin 2x equals to cos 3x plus cos x is 2 cos of 2x. Am I correct? Next, tell me. Cos of cos x plus cos 2x. Here, interesting thing. What shall we take out common from the left hand side?
Sin 2x.
Very good, very good, very good.
Sin 2x.
Sin 2x. On the right hand side, cos 2x.
Cos
Cos
2x.
Let us take out common. If we take sin 2x common, we have 2 cos x plus 1. Here, if you take cos 2x common, you get 2 cos x plus 1. See, it's very interesting case arise here. So that means actually if you cancel 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1, actually one general solution will be some infinite set of solutions will be vanished. So don't cancel them. Bring the cos 2x into 2 cos x plus 1 to the left hand side and take out 2 cos x plus 1 common out. So that means this can be written sin 2x into 2 cos x plus 1 minus cos 2x into 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. Now what shall we take out common? 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1
2
common.
cos x.
Then what do we get? 2 cos x plus 1 multiplied with the
Sin x minus
sin
cos
2x
2x.
minus cos 2x equals to 0.
Minus cos 2x.
Yes. Now we get here two cases. 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means cos x is equal to negative 1 by 2. Now sin 2x equal to cos 2x. Divide by cos 2x. That means sin 2x right. Divide both sides by cos 2x. Here 1. That implies this is nothing but tan 2x is equal to 1. So both need to be solved separately. Case 1 and case 2 we need to consider. Tell me what is the case 1?
Cos x is equals to
Cos
minus
x
1.
equals to minus 1 by 2.
What is the case 2? Case 2. This is the case 2.
Tan 2x is equals to
Tan
1.
2x is equals to 1.
Right. Let us solve separately now. Right. So case 1. Cos x equals to negative 1 by 2. But the principal value of cos x lies in between 0 comma pi. It should not be negative angle. So that's why we need to write like this. Cos of, actually this of equal to cos 60 degrees. Am I correct? But negative 1 by 2 is there. This we can write pi minus pi by 3. So this is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Now the principal value is alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. Alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. Alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. Take the screenshot. Right. Okay. So now the general solution is x is
2n
equal
pi
to
plus
2n pi plus or minus alpha. That is 2 pi by 3.
2n pi plus or minus pi 2 pi by 3.
Yes. Now go to the case 2. What is the case 2 now?
Tan 2x is equals to
Tan 2x is equals to 1.
Very good. Tan 2x is equal to 1 means the principal value of tan is lies between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. But positive means no problem. So directly we can take the angle which lies in the first quadrant. Tan 2x equals to, we can write tan 45 degrees. Am I correct? So principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. General solution is 2x is equal to, that is n pi plus alpha. Multiply 1 by 2 on both sides. X is equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. N belongs to Z. So therefore, x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3 2 pi by 3 n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. N belongs to Z. It's clear?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the question number?
8 2.
Second.
Sir, screen
Screen
share.
is not visible, sir.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
What is the question number?
9
Eighth
2.
9 7.
Ninth.
Yeah, it's completed
Wait
9th
a second.
question.
Wait a second. Okay. If x plus y is equal to 2 pi by 3, that means 120 degrees. And sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 by 2. Then find x and y. X and y. That means x plus y is equal to 120 means principal solutions only we need to find out. The values in between 0 to 90 only we need to find, because x plus y is equal to already given. This is 120. Right. So first consider this one. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay. Now instead of sin x plus sin y, what shall we write?
Sin C plus D.
Yes, sin c plus sin d. So what is the formula for sin c plus sin d?
2 sin C
sin
plus
c plus d by 2
cos of C minus D by 2.
cos of c minus d by 2. Okay. So now this can be written 2 sin of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 equals to 3 by 2. But x plus y is equal to 120 given. Since x plus y is equal to 120 degrees, pi by 3 is equal to 60. 60 into 2 is 120. 120 by 2 is 60. This we can write 2 sin 60 cos of x minus y by 2 equal to 3 by 2. What is sin 60? What is the value of
Root
sin
3 by
60? Yes,
Root 3.
root 3 by
Root
2
3
into
by
2.
2.
Root 3 you will be getting here. Root 3 cos of x minus y by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Here, so cos of x minus y by 2 equals to 3 by 2 into 1 upon root 3. This 3 we can write root 3 into root 3 upon 2 into root 3. Root 3 cancel out. We have root 3 by 2. See, the root 3 by 2 equal to whose cosine value is equal to root 3 by 2? Cos
of 30.
30 degrees. 30 right?
30.
So that means x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. So now what is the value of x minus y? Cross multiplication 60. That means we
60.
know x plus y is equal to 120, x minus y is equal to 60. Solve these two equations. You will get x and y values. Will you solve these two equations?
X is equals to 60.
No, how could we? X is equal to 90, I think so. First add these two equations, solving 1 and 2. So now, so we have x plus y is equal to 120 degrees Say equation 1. From the given condition, just we have the
X
value
equals
x
to
minus y
90,
is
y
equal to 60.
equals to 30.
Yes, adding y cancel.
2x,
2x equals to
90
180.
degrees.
180. X equals to 180 degrees upon 2.
90 degrees, sir.
90 degrees. So substituting,
Y equals to 30 degree.
yes, substituting x is equal to 90 degrees in the equation 1. That implies 90 degrees plus y is equal to 120. Y is equal to 120 degrees minus 90. So we get 30 degrees. So hence x is equal to 90 degrees,
90 degrees. Y is equals to 30 degree.
y is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, let us move to the from first step onwards. You check the question. Right?
Sir, once your last page. Sir.
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
So this is the last page. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Screen is not
Screen
visible.
is not visible, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So next, third question. If sine 3x plus sine x plus 2 cos x equals to sine 2x plus 2 cos square x, then find the general solution. Then find the general solution. Then find the general solution. Okay. So how will you solve this problem? Any idea?
Sin C plus sin D.
Very good. Sin C plus sin D. Okay, first apply sin C plus sin D. So apply sin C plus sin D. So what do you get? 2 sine of C plus D by 2. Sin 2x. Am I correct? Cos C minus D by 2. Cos x plus 2 cos x equals to sin 2x means we can write 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos square x. Okay, let us think. From the left hand side, in the left hand side, what shall we take out common? The left hand side.
2 cos x, sir.
2 cos x.
In the right hand side,
2 sin x cos x.
2
cos
cos.
2 cos x only.
Two.
Right. Let us take 2 cos x from left hand side. So we get sine 2x plus 1 equals to, here 2 cos x common. If you take 2 cos x common, what do you get now here? Sine x plus
Plus
cos
cos
x.
x.
But don't cancel out this cos x, 2 we can cancel out. So bring cos x sin x plus 2 1, cos x into sin 2x plus 1 minus cos x into sin x plus cos x, right down. So this can be written cos x sin 2x plus 1 minus cos x into sin x plus cos x equals to 0. Then what is the next step? Just think. What is the next step? See, we can take out cos x common. It's clear. If you take cos x common, what do you get? Sin 2x plus 1 minus sin x and minus cos x
Minus cos x equals
equals
to
to
0.
0. Now two cases. Cos x equals to 0. It's very easy. Directly general solution we can write. X is equal to n plus 1 pi by 2. Leave it. Later we shall have a discussion. This is sin 2x minus sin x plus 1 minus cos x equals to 0. Here, my dear students, remember, this is in the form of sin c minus sin d. Am I correct? This is in
Yes,
the form
sir.
of 1 minus cos x. Both formula we need to apply. So let us do separately, case 1 and case 2. This is case 1. This is case 2. Remind me, case 2. What is case 2? Tell me, what is the case 2? Sin 2x
Sin 2x minus
Sin 2x
plus
minus
1 minus
sin
cos
x.
x. Case 1 is
cos x is
cos x is equal to 0. So case 1 let us consider.
Sir, one should be sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Case 1. Cos x equals to 0. So that implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. N belongs to Z. It's completed, no problem. Leave it. But case 2 is, tell me what is the case 2? I told you to remind me.
sin 2x minus
Sin
sin
Sin 2x minus sin.
cos x is equals to 0.
1 minus cos x equal
1
to
minus cos x equals 0.
0. Right? Again now, sin 2x minus sin x. This is 2 cos of 2x plus x, 3x by 2, and sin of x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 equals to 0. So now here we can take out 2 sin of x by 2 common. See, very interesting this is. So that's why we get cos 3x by 2 plus this will be what? Sin x by 2 equal to 0. Again two cases here, sub cases. Sin x by 2 equals to 0 and cos 3x by 2 equal to negative sin x by 2. So this we can write cos of pi by 2 plus x by 2. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. Here directly we can write the general solution. X by 2 is equal to n pi. X is equal to 2n pi. N belongs to Z. but we need to solve this one. This will be the principal value. General solution is 3x by 2 equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 plus x by 2. Take x by 2 this side. If you take x by 2 this side, 3x by 2 minus x by 2. 3x by 2 minus x by 2 is 2x by 2. That becomes x. So x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. So now tell me what is the solution. You will get it now finally. So final solution is therefore
X is equals to
2n plus 1 pi by 2
2n plus 1 pi by 2, comma 2
2n pi
pi, comma 2n pi plus or minus pi
Plus
by 2.
or minus pi by 2.
plus or
Pi by
minus
2.
pi by 2. N belongs to Z. Clear, understood now? Because the questions are very lengthy, but no problem, we can solve step by step if you go for using transformation formula. Okay, shall we continue tomorrow? Okay. Yes or no?
Okay.
Shall I do one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Shall I do one? Shall I give one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
This is under 9. Now 10th. 10th question, first bit. Cos 2 theta plus cos 8 theta equals to cos 5 theta. So can you solve?
Yes.
So
Yes.
what is the strategy need to be followed for this one? First, what
Cos
should
C
we do?
plus.
Very good. Cos C plus cos
C.
T. Shall I write directly?
Yes.
That is 2 cos of 8 theta plus 2 theta. 10 theta by 2. That will be 5 theta. And cos 6 theta by 2, 3 theta. Minus cos 5 theta equals to 0. Shall we take out anything common?
Cos phi theta.
Cos phi theta.
Yes, cos 5 theta common.
Will do.
Take cos 5 theta common, what do you get?
Sir, we will do.
Okay, continue, complete.
2 cos 3 theta minus 1.
Good, Nana. Two cases will arise. So need I help you? Will you try?
We will try.
Okay.
We will try, sir.
Very good. Okay, even check my solution also. Right. 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 equals to 0. Two cases. Cos 5 theta equals to 0. And cos 3 theta equals to 1
Is
upon.
equals to 4 pi by 3.
So directly we can write general solution. 5 theta equals to 2n plus 1 pi by
2n plus 1 pi by 2.
theta equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 10. Am I correct? This 5 into 2 we can write directly also. This is for principal solution, principal value
Pi by
cos 60 pi by 3. PV is alpha is equal to pi by 3. In this case, general solution is okay. Right. 3 theta equals to